Hello, this is Mad Hatter here, and I'm going to show you another tool today. This tool is for all of those people who like to play add-ons together, mix and match things, build servers that have some, event type add-ons, whatever you want. But this tool will tell you, are these things compatible or are they not compatible? And it'll tell you before opening Minecraft and before doing any testing. If they are listed as compatible, I still would recommend doing some testing, but it'll get rid of a lot of the ones really early. So first thing that we're going to look at is how to get this tool. There's a link in the description to a place to download it, but we're going to go directly there. This is the compatibility tool, and if you look on the right side, it says releases. When you see the releases, you can download it here. If I hit download, it'll bring up a folder. You need both of these files, both the lookup folder and the combiner. Without the lookup folder, it will not work. So now you can launch that after you've extracted it, and it will pop up a window just like this. If I browse and I choose something like a chaos pack that I had made, and I check it against UHC, which is something else I made, it'll tell you the two packs are not compatible because they both modify the player. That's really common, that packs are not compatible because they modify the player. If I check Chaos against Fond Unicycle's pseudo stations, so that is pseudo stations in there. If I check the Chaos pack against it, the two packs are likely compatible, and that's because they don't modify any of the same files. If I do Redye Concrete against, Redye Concrete, it'll say they're going to fight because it's the same pack. If I do Redye Concrete against Redye Glass, it's going to tell me they're compatible. So if I wanted to take something like the Chaos pack, which is not compatible with One Player Sleep, I can grab One Player Sleep here, or Death Counter, or both, and I can click Merge in Packs. I wrote these so that they will merge into any pack, and it takes a bit of effort to make sure that they are compatible. So now if I go into the folder that I ran the software from, I have merged Chaos 2. If I double click that, I can hit save and exit. And then on here, on this world, I can go to behavior packs, my packs, chaos, and you see at the end it says modified by Raven Mad Hatter's pack merge tool to include death counter and One Player Sleep. If I hit activate and I hit OK continue, it's now up there, and I'm going to deactivate this one and hit play. Now, if I'm in here, if I do a /kill, so let's do a game mode survival, and then /kill at S, hit escape. See, now I have one death, and the One Player Sleep does work as well, and Chaos mod is running, so something crazy is going to happen at some point in the future. So that is the basics of how to make this work. And you can figure out more complex combinations. One of the things that I'd highly recommend is after you merge a pack using the merge tool, double check that it still works with your other packs. So for instance, if I go to Redye Concrete and I merge in these, Redye Concrete was compatible with UHC. Redye Concrete, they were likely compatible. If I go to this folder now and I browse, we're going to grab UHC against the merged Redye Concrete. It says the two packs are not compatible. If that's the case, if you check them beforehand and they were compatible, and then you did the merge and you recheck and they're not compatible anymore, Instead of running the merge on the pack you originally ran it on the UHC, for instance, and then they would be compatible again. So this is Mad Hatter, and a villager spawned here, making a village, so I would get Bad Omen and, you know, have a raid start in the Chaos mod. This is Mad Hatter. If you want to learn more, go jump in the Discord. I can chat with you. Link in the description. If you want funds pack, it is awesome. It's the way Bedrock should have been from day one. It's the way that Minecraft should have been from day one with the workstations. Check that. I put a link in the description to his video. Anyway, this is Mad Hatter, and I am out. You have a good one. Bye.